Here's where business rules go to hide. Inside repository methods. A predicate buried in a query has no name, can't be reused, and can't be tested without a database. So you copy it, tweak it, and now the rule lives in 5 slightly different places. A specification fixes that. It makes a business rule a first-class object you can name, reuse, and combine. Look at this. The definition of an active project, not archived, still active, is trapped inside a query method. One active project's owned by someone. You write a second method and copy the rule into it. Every new combination is a new method, and the rule drifts a little each time. The business rule has no home and no name. So lift it out. A specification is a class that derives from Specification of Project and overrides one method, ToExpression. It returns the rule as an expression, the exact same predicate, but now it has a name, and it lives in the domain where it belongs. Active project spec is the single source of truth for what active means. Now combine them. Active and owned by this member. That's and. There's also or and not. No new query method, just composition. Hand the spec to the repository's QueryAsync, and Trellis turns the expression into SQL that runs on the server. Or call IsSatisfiedBy, and the exact same rule runs in memory, with no database at all. One rule, 2 engines. So a specification makes 3 promises. 1. The rule has a name and a home, and you can unit test it with IsSatisfiedBy, no database. 2. You combine rules with and, or, and not, instead of writing a new query method for every case. 3. One specification runs 2 ways, as SQL through the repository or in memory, and it's the same rule both times. Business logic stops leaking into your data layer. A specification gives every business rule a name, a test, and one place to change it, for you, and for any AI composing the next query. Next, we capture what actually happened in the domain events, raised on the aggregate. Subscribe, and I'll see you there.